Hello guys and welcome back to Leet Logics. This is the flattened nested list iterator and this is a Leetcode medium. The number for this is 341. So in this question we are given with a nested list of integers in which each element can be either a integer or again a nested list whose elements may be integer and other list. So what we have to do is that we need to flatten the entire tree, entire list. So this is a straightforward question. It has to implement three functions. That is the nested iterator, that is the constructor, int next, which returns the next integer, and has next, which tells if there are some integers in the nested list or not. So what we'll do is that we'll simply define a flatten function that will recursively and use that recursively to flatten the entire list. So first of all, start with the constructor. So the nested iterator is defined as the constructor in here, where the list of nested integer is the input, which is the input from the driver code, and we take a list, flatten list, and define it with a new linked list, and we call the flatten function on this nested list. Now this flatten function will flatten the entire list recursively, and we will see how it does. And we have also taken an iterator so that we can easily iterate through all the flattened nodes, flattened elements, and check if there are more integers or not. So let's come to the flatten method. So flatten method is a recursive function that traverses the nested list and appends the integer to the flattened list. So it takes a list of nested integer as input, which is the actually the input list, and it iterates through the this list and check if the element is an integer. Then what it does, it simply adds to the flattened list. Otherwise it recursively calls the flatten on the list. If the element is a list, so it recursively calls the function on the list. So it will continue until finally a flattened list is formed with the help of these lists. And then we have simply the next and the has next functions, which we can use it.next, iterator.next, and iterator.hasNext. So this was the very simple solution for today's question. Please do like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and take a screenshot if you want for this code. This gives excellent runtime. Because we are not using any complex function in this which is taking time. This is simple recursion, and I don't think so there can be a more simpler approach than this. So please do like the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.